Greetings to everyone. Recently I came across a video of Turkish actors addressing Ramzan Kadyrov with praises and wishes to recover soon. After watching these videos, I thought, don't they know who is Kadyrov and how much the Chechen people hate him? Some of these actors visited Chechnya previously. There are also other actors, singers, football players, and other celebrities from different countries who visit Chechnya and praise Kadyrov. Haven't you all heard what many well-known human rights organizations around the world are saying about Kadyrov? Don't you know that Kadyrov is a maniac who has been torturing and killing Chechens for the latest 20 years? And not rarely he does it with his own hands. This is a man who, during the invasion of Chechnya by Russian troops, immediately sided with the occupiers and began to torture and kill Chechens as they ordered. He and his father are traitors to the Chechen people. Do you who praise him not know that he is associated with the murder of many human rights defenders and opposition figures unwelcome by Putin? Haven't you heard that thousands of Chechens are fleeing the Chechen Republic so that to be rescued from the tyranny of Kadyrov? Don't you know that there are several 100,000 Chechen refugees living in Europe who cannot return to their homeland? And do you know that a huge number of Chechen refugees live in Turkey? Many of them are women with orphan children. Do you know that their fathers were killed by Kadyrov's thugs? Do you know that in the Chechen Republic people are so terrorized that they are afraid to express their true opinion about Kadyrov even to their own relatives? Do you know that if you wish Kadyrov a long life, you wish the continuation of the oppression and abuse of the Chechen people? I would like to ask all those celebrities who praise or support any politician from another nation or country, before you do this, try to learn at least a little about this person first.